All right, welcome back to this disaster. I did get parts from these guys right here. I called, left a message. They were busy. Next day, a guy called me back and had everything I wanted. Hopefully, I got everything I need. So, we are going to see if we can get this back together. I think all this has to come out. That's awesome. No tools. I'd almost like to take that guy off. Maybe just get a little more room in there. I don't know if that's gonna help us. It did. I don't know. Not sure how this. I think it's got something to do with that screw. Not sure. So I didn't take this apart. Somebody destroyed the top of the column just to get it to start, and then ended up putting the little key switch in the dash, and that is what I'm trying to get rid of. And the other column just didn't come with everything it said it came with, and I never checked it. So I'm putting this back together, but when you don't take it apart, it's kind of hard to figure out how it all goes back together. So that is why the struggle bus is on right now, but eventually we will get it, and it kind of starts making sense here. It's just taking me a minute to figure out how everything works, so that's what I'm trying to do here. Just getting ready to clean up that lock pin housing. It was just fused in there. So we're going to run some steel wool through it, try to get all the corrosion out of it. Then we'll lube up the lock pin, stick it in there, and see what it does. Alright, got the lock pin in there and it's lubed up. Gonna lube up the sector and the cross shaft that goes in there and get that put back in. Alright, we got some lube. It's back installed. Lube down there. I gotta figure out how this spring bolts in and hooks in. I believe it hooks on that lock pin.
So I guess I'm gonna try to figure all that out. We'll see. If I get it, I'll show you. Now I gotta figure out this ignition switch. All right, I think I figured out how the ignition needs to sit. I don't have another screw. Well, the other sector kit had a screw in it that has the same thread pitch. So we'll stick the key in, see what happens here. She's fully functional. We're definitely gonna clean her up. We got those plates up there painted. We might paint the bottom of this a little bit. We gotta do the pigtails in the car for the ignition switch and shove the column back in it. I may have my dad help me with that just so I can line up the splines on the end. Try to get the tires as close to straight as possible. And maybe we'll doll it up and put some of that hardware on. We'll see what it looks like. All right, was just messing around a little bit. I think that is what needs to go. There might be another one that needs to go in there, but that's it for tonight. All right, new day. Try to figure out this wiring.
What are you figuring all the wires for?
Yes. All right, those are labeled. All right, think I got the pigtails figured out. It's not great, but we'll see. None of the colors match. Now we're gonna stick it back in the car, get their intermediate shaft hooked up, and then we'll get a couple bolts. Oh yeah, just ran right into that. Okay, so you got to come through with the shifter. Hold on. Now just spin the column this way. Okay, stop. You're gonna have to go back until it hits the firewall. More back. Right there. A little more back. Okay, okay. Hold it. Let's see if you can push in. Of course not. Okay, hold on. Pull it back towards you a little. Okay. God, it does. Can you push in at all? Just like that. I feel like it's not in the right spot. Looks like, or I'm not lining the bolt up right. Can't see a thing. Pull back towards you just a hair.
More?
Yep. Oh. Maybe a little more. Oh. Okay. Let me just get the nut started. Can you lift up on it? Just a hair. God dang it. Okay. And just need to push this down, put the snap ring in, cover on, wheel, horn button. Horn's not going to work because I don't have the horn parts, so I'll have to tear it back apart at some point. I already actually had it all back together, steering wheel and everything. Forgot to put the blinker arm in. So here we are, but I'll catch back with you when we're done. Seems everything is working. Steering wheel's a little off center, but it's got to come back off anyway to get the horn stuff in there. So hopefully I can get that stuff ordered, go from there. But seems to be doing fine. Head back and maybe my daughter will clean this up. Okay, another car show. They all made it. The girls don't clean up their cars at all. But Dad's El Camino's here, waiting on a couple people to fill these two spots. But yeah, everything went good.